Hello YouTube. So if you have a 2016 to 2024 Ford Edge and it doesn't start, before you rush to buy a new battery, because a lot of times you're gonna hear that it's the battery that's not compatible, check. That's a relay right here. This is the relay you need to check. That's relay number 42. That's the fuel pump relay. That's the first one you need to go check. Replace this relay, your car is likely going to work. If that doesn't work, then if that doesn't do it, check fuse number 26. That's this long one right here. Check this one. This fuse right here. Check that one. Then if that doesn't work, check number 15, which is this one right here. That's the run start relay. Check that one. Check those three. If those three do not do it, then you're gonna need to remove this panel right here. Check out, just see there's a way you get to the back of this place. You need to unscrew a few things, release it, and then at the other side of this box there is this set of fuses. So once you get to the side of the back of that box, what you're gonna do is you will go and check. You turn it around, so you're gonna get at the other side. So you're gonna go check the fuse number 58, which is this one. It's a 30 amp fuse. Check this one. Then, but I believe you wouldn't even need to go to this point before you get it solved. All you need to do, check this first one right here. That's the fuel pump fuse. Once you check that, and then before you go to the other side, the ones on the other side, that's the 30 amp fuse. The one I showed you the other time, the other one I showed you, that is this one. This is the fuel pump feed fuse. Then number 62. Number 62 is this one right here, which is the 50 amp fuse. Number 62, you check this one, and then also you check number 67. That is your BCM control. You check those ones. One of those should do it, but most likely when it doesn't crank, it's most likely this fuel pump relay that is here that's causing the problem, and also the fuel pump feed number 58, which I showed you a few minutes ago. That's this one right here on the other side, which is causing it. So that doesn't work, check your run start relay number 15, which I showed you a few minutes ago. That's this one right here. So it's gonna work definitely. One of those should do it. So I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.